Hi friends, welcome back to ARCTutorials. This is top interview question and answer series. In today's episode, the question is, what is the difference between getElementById and querySelector in JavaScript? One of the most fundamental and basic questions that is often asked in interviews. Let's go ahead and learn the answer. All right, so what is the difference between getElementById and querySelector? getElementById will select a particular element by using its ID. If you are writing it correct, it will always select one element because IDs have to be unique in the web page. So getElementById will return you only or select an element by its ID, only one element is returned. querySelector, on the other hand, will return the first element that matches the CSS selector or the ID selector, whatever selector you pass. So getElementById is more targeting in terms of when you know the ID and you want to retrieve that element, you will use getElementById. But let's say there are multiple elements matching some particular criteria or the selection. querySelector will always return the first matching element. In this case, if you know that ID is header and you write document.getElementById, it will return one element with this ID. But let's say there are multiple elements in the web page which have the same class as header. querySelector will return the first element that matches this criteria. That's the main difference between getElementById and querySelector. This question and 2000 such questions with code snippet is available as part of the full stack interview questions on arctutorials.gumroad.com. Get your copy today and master all the interview question and answers and crack any interview. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep spreading knowledge, keep spreading love, keep learning. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.